Hello everyone, welcome you once again in my YouTube channel. Hope you all are doing good. So today in this video we are going to talk about the fascinating magic behind the Reiki principles. These amazing Reiki principles created by Dr. Mikao Usui, the father of Usui Reiki healing system, are not just for Reiki practitioners. Moreover, they are powerful affirmations that anyone can use them to lead a healthier and more loving life.
Hi, I'm Rashmi Mandal, an author, certified life coach, Reiki Grandmaster, tarot reader, Akashic record reader, and expert in more than 30 healing modalities. And my mission is to infuse positivity into everyone's life.
So, as discussed earlier, Reiki is a Japanese energy healing practice that balances the life force energy within us. This practice helps reduce stress, improve mental clarity, and foster overall well-being. The 5 principles give Dr. Mikao Usui are basic guidelines that help you live a balanced and peaceful life through Reiki. The 5 Reiki principles established by Dr. Mikao Usui, the founder of the Usui system of energy healing, developed in the early 20th century. These principles serve as a blueprint for personal growth and self-improvement, helping individuals align their thoughts, actions, and emotions with the core values of Reiki. So let's learn about these 5 principles. So the first one is, just for today, I will not worry. So let's understand this principle. Anger is a natural emotion and we all experience it from time to time. But holding on to anger can affect our mental and physical well-being. When we choose not to be angry just for today, we are taking charge of our emotions. It's a mindful decision that helps us find inner peace and harmony. So, by focusing on just for today, this principle becomes a powerful tool in our daily lives, reminding us to live in the present moment and let go of anger to maintain a balanced state of mind. The second principle is, just for today, I will not worry. Worrying about what might happen in the future often brings stress and anxiety. By reminding ourselves not to worry just for today, we commit to living in the present moment. This principle teaches us to let go of our fears and focus on what we can control right now, which brings inner peace and calmness. Using just for today in these affirmations serves as a daily reminder to approach each day mindfully, reducing worry and inviting more peace into our lives. The next third principle is, just for today, I will be grateful. Gratitude means appreciating the good things in our life, like our health, family, or a sunny day. It's about focusing on what we have rather than what we don't. This principle reminds us to enjoy the present moment with a sense of satisfaction and abundance. When we say just for today, encourages us to practice gratitude every day. This habit helps us stay positive and mindful, finding happiness in everyday moments and feeling thankful for what we have. The fourth principle of Dr. Mikao Usui is, just for today, I will do my work honestly and diligently. Integrity and honesty plays a significant role in our personal and professional development. When we pledge to do our work honestly, just for today, we are making a promise to ourselves and others to uphold truthfulness and fairness. The principle guides us to be genuine and transparent in our actions, whether we are at our job, interacting with friends, or handling responsibilities at home. It encourages us to take pride in our work and build strong relationships founded on trust and reliability. By embracing this principle daily, we cultivate a reputation for integrity and contribute positively to our communities and workplaces. The last, fifth principle of Reiki is just for today, I will be kind to all living things. Being kind and compassionate is key to living well with others and our environment. When we commit to being kind to every living thing, just for today, we are acknowledging our connection to everyone and everything around us people, animals, and nature. This principle guides us to treat everyone and everything with care and empathy. It encourages us to think about how our actions can brighten someone's day. By practicing kindness every day, we not only promote peace in our world but also foster a more loving and supporting community. It's about understanding our impact on others and spreading positivity wherever we go. Incorporating these five Reiki principles in your daily life can certainly enhance your daily experience. And here is a clearer explanation of how you can integrate them into your routine. The first thing you can do is begin your day by repeating each principle daily in the morning as if you are speaking a positive affirmation. This practice helps you internalize these principles, making them a natural part of your mindset for the entire day. It's like reminding yourself of these guiding ideas so they stay with you and shape how you think and act throughout your day. Second thing you can do is place sticky notes on visible spots or set reminders on your phone to keep reminding yourself of the Reiki principles all day long. These little notes and alerts act as friendly reminders to help you stay focused on living by these principles in everything you do. It's like having a gentle nudge to guide your actions and keep your mind aligned with these positive ways of thinking and behaving. Every day, take a moment to think about what things make you happy and write down things that make you feel thankful. This simple habit helps you see the good things in your life instead of focusing on what you might be missing. It's a way to train your mind to think positively and feel happy. This simple habit helps you see the good things in your life instead of focusing on what you might be missing. It's a way to feel overall. When you are feeling upset, stressed, or anxious, try out mindful breathing. Try practicing mindful breathing and start thinking quietly. This can help you release negative emotions like anger and worry, promoting inner peace and clearer thinking. It's a simple way to manage your feelings and improve your overall well being. Next, committing to honesty. Committing to honesty involves making a personal commitment to always speak truth and act truthfully in every situation. It's about being genuine and reliable in how you communicate with others, which plays a crucial role in developing trust and mutual respect in your relationships. When you prioritize honesty, you not only uphold your integrity but also contribute to creating a more positive and supporting environment around you. This commitment fosters stronger connections with others and enhance your own sense of self-worth and authenticity. Showing kindness means treating others with care and understanding. It's about being thoughtful of people's feeling and need and doing small nice things to make others feel good. When you show kindness, you choose to bring positivity and friendliness into your interactions. This not only makes others happy but also create a supportive and pleasant atmosphere wherever you are. Importantly, being kind does not just benefit others, it also makes you feel good knowing you have made a positive difference in someone's day. So, embracing 5 principles of Reiki in your daily life can truly transform your well being. Start your mornings by quietly affirming these principles to yourself. Allow their wisdom to guide your thoughts and actions throughout the day, helping you to stay centered and positive even during challenging times. Hope you liked today's video. And these 5 principles, if you start affirming from today onwards only, are going to transform your life at a great extent because it will help you learn mindfulness into your life. When you learn mindfulness, you start living in the present moment, many things in your life starts changing. Emotionally, mentally, you start becoming stronger, happier. So, if you like this video, please do like, share and subscribe my channel. Together, let's embrace these principles to make our days brighter and together, let's embrace more fulfilling. Thank you. Have a nice day. God bless you. And more fulfilling. Thank you.